Hello, today on Breakfast, Lunch, and Dinner Cooking, I am going to be making pure oats, the best we can possibly do. So I found this organic oatmeal, which is what you really want. You don't want Roundup Ready oats. So I'm going to do 1 cup, maybe I should show you. I'm going to be doing 1 cup of oats, and I am going to be adding 2 cups of water. I always use my filtered water because you don't need chlorine. And then I'm going to be adding couple dashes of salt, probably, I don't know, maybe 1/8 of a teaspoon. And my vanilla, probably 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. And maybe like 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. And once I get that going, I'll show you what we're gonna do. Okay, these have been cooking for 5 minutes. And they look just about right. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to get my camera ready here. And I'm going to put them in my bowl. Yeah. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a nice banana, and I'm going to cut that on the top. I had this in a restaurant one time, and it was so yummy. And then I'm going to take some pecans, sprinkle those on top. And then I bought myself some pure maple syrup. And I'm going to pour a little bit of that over the top. And I am going to pour milk on it, but not right this minute. I just want to show you this beautiful, beautiful oatmeal. And when you have oatmeal that is organic, hopefully it's organic, it's more of a pure breakfast for you. And I hope you enjoyed my little video. And remember, there's nothing you can't do if you put your mind to it. And love the Lord with all your heart. And make some pure oatmeal.